Hey everyone, Coach Investor back to another video for today. So let's talk about Nvidia, and yes, different background. I'm trying something new. If you like it, let me know down in the comments below. If you don't like it, do the same thing. But let's talk about Nvidia, more specifically about Omniverse. Not Metaverse, Omniverse. Some of you might be confused, but it's not the same thing, not at all. If you want to know what the Metaverse is in simplified version, top right corner, Omniverse is a product that Nvidia is offering. In this case, also through a subscription service, which is great because the Wall Street loves subscription services, much easier to project future revenues. So let's talk about Omniverse. But first, I also do want to mention that you can still follow my portfolio on stockcard.io. It's completely free to follow. We've reached 100 followers of that portfolio. We're beating the S&P 500 by 3.86%. Not much, but we're still beating it. Again, the link is down in the description below. And in this video, we're also going to look if we're going to add Nvidia to the portfolio or not. Here you basically get the Nvidia card, so high growth potential, strong operations. But this is the first time I'm seeing this actually. Overexcited investors. Usually you will see it in the red or maybe sometimes even neutral. But in the green, that means that, well, the stock hasn't really faced much challenging times from the market. As you can see here from the chart, it's only down 7% in the past quarter, has underperformed the market, but to be honest, not that much. In the short term, maybe yes, but in the long term, it has outperformed the market by a lot. It is a overvalued stock because you are paying a premium for such a good quality company. As for analyst consensus, 0 sell, 6 hold, 26 buy. Today's price is at $280. The analyst price target is at $338, so quite a nice upside there. If you want to see some metrics here, so a PE ratio of close to 72, so extremely expensive. Price to sales ratio of 26 times, also very, very expensive. Now here on the side, you can see where it belongs to. So the tag, you can also search further tags. So remember last videos, we did the Metaverse, so it obviously belongs to the Metaverse tag. When you click on this, you will get all the other companies that also belong to that category. So what is Omniverse? You can look at Omniverse and see it maybe as a virtual playground where you could train robots to do a specific job before releasing them into the real world. According to the CEO, Jensen Huang, this is going to be the largest graphics opportunities the company has ever seen. Also, according to IDC, worldwide spending on artificial intelligence will jump from $85.3 billion to more than $200 billion by 2025, translating in a compound annual growth rate of more than 24.5%. So it's not just a small opportunity, it's a pretty big one, and Nvidia is very well positioned. Now, before we jump into all the use cases, I want to thank the Motley for sponsoring this video. The Motley is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. You all know how much I love researching new stocks and trying to find the next best investment. So I'm proud to partner with the Motley to bring you 10 free stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Now, Stock Advisor has beat the market by more than 4x. So all you have to do is go to fool.com/couchinvestor to get your free 10 stock picks now. So first up, a quick review from last quarter. Obviously, gaming still the largest segment. Data center is catching up to it. And then professional visualization. This is where Omniverse comes in, the fastest growing segment out there. And you will see why. So they've made a couple of announcements more recently, but I want to talk about some specific examples. So let's take PepsiCo, for example. It simulates and optimizes distribution centers because, as you know, PepsiCo, one of the largest companies out there, has to know exactly how to optimize its distribution centers to better run their business, increase sales, increase the experience for everyone. Then we have Amazon, one of the largest companies on the planet. Logistics, warehouse, you name it. So they're building a digital twin of their warehouses where, again, they can use it as a virtual playground, train robots, test some things out, and then release it to the real world and see how that will perform. Obviously, all those tests can be done without harming any human or costing that much money. Because when you train stuff in the virtual world, you're not really hurting anyone besides virtual robots. Then we have a couple of announcements here. So the first one is Kroger and Nvidia to reinvent shopping experience through state-of-the-art AI-enabled applications and services. Kroger, the nation's largest grocer, and Nvidia will build a state-of-the-art AI lab and demonstration center to expand Kroger's freshness initiatives, improve shipping logistics, a bit like Amazon, and create a better shopping experience in stores through digital twin simulations, virtual models designed to accurately reflect store layouts and other operations. Our collaboration with Nvidia supports Kroger's Fresh for Everyone commitment, said Wesley Rhodes, Vice President of Technology Transformation and R&D at Kroger. We look forward to learning more about how AI and data analytics will further our journey to provide our customers with anything, anytime, anywhere. Which leads to this announcement right here. Nvidia announces Omniverse Cloud to connect tens of millions of designers and creators, a bit like what Unity has announced a couple of months ago. So they say here that designers are working remotely, collaborate as if in the same studio. Factory planners work inside a digital twin of the real plant to design a new production flow. Software engineers test a new software build on the digital twin of a self-driving car before releasing it to the fleet. A new wave of work is coming that can only be done in virtual worlds. Omniverse Cloud will connect tens of millions of designers and creators and billions of future AIs and robotic systems. Which leads to the last announcement that they've made, which is obviously gaming related. So Nvidia launches Omniverse for developers, a powerful and collaborative game creation environment. This also resembles what Unity has announced not so long ago. So they say here, with the Nvidia Omniverse real-time design, collaboration and simulation platform, game developers can use AI and Nvidia RTX enabled tools or easily build custom ones to streamline, accelerate and enhance their development workflows. New features for game developers include updates to Omniverse Audio to Face, Omniverse Nucleus Cloud and Omniverse Deep Search, as well as the introduction of Unreal Engine 5 Omniverse Connector. Some of those terms you've probably seen if you've watched the GTC event, more specifically when they talk about Avatar. So hopefully by now you understand why I'm excited about this part of Nvidia's business, and maybe now you might be excited as well. I highly suggest you go watch the GTC event. They also clipped some of the most interesting parts of that event. Some of it you might have seen during this video, but this is really opening up doors for so many people, and the opportunities here, optionality is extremely large. And this is why this segment for Nvidia has been growing the fastest and will probably continue to do so for years to come. So that will be it for this video. Yes, we will add Nvidia to our stock cards portfolio. Again, it's free to follow. Link will be down in the description. Why not? We've reached 100 followers. Maybe you'll be part of the next 100. And if you want to upgrade to a VIP, use the code CouchInvestor, get 10% off. All of the links can be found down in the description below. Do leave a comment about your thoughts on Omniverse. And that will be it for this video. If you liked it, consider leaving a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe hit that subscribe button. As always guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.